Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs. With popular features, features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, floor mats, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, FWD. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.